Monani Molweni Tumelani, I'm sharing, it's your boy. Matter of fact, you already know it's not your boy. Elijah, milk supply of faith. We out here, we back again with another hot pele episode. Obviously, kama angvanyi wani ngihlale ngiphethe inja yami ibhuli edipu Mr. PNWM ibhuli number. He goes by the name of DJ Iyaro. Can I get a pop? Oh yes, if I just the great. Shout out dog. It's good to see you again. I haven't seen you in a while, Buffet. Welcome, Buffet. You already know. Please don't forget. Before say affair, subscribe, press that bell icon. You already know. Vandaag ngiphethe i-band. Yama band.
Yeah.
I'm a musical geniuses.
Yeah. Yes.
Izinja zama-keys and drums.
Yeah.
Ngibachacha kude labantu laba all the way from the States. Ngisho la Free State. I give you the one and the only, the T-Minute. Can I get a pop? Welcome.
It's too much.
Ngithanda nje ukunamukela bafethu ngezandla eziwomu. Bafethu, I'm your host, Milk Supply. Ngiphethe inja yami ibhuli edipu DJ Iyaro. This is In The Shake. It's about real and raw conversations. It's not really an interview.
Yeah.
But we would like to get to know you because I already have
Please, gents.
Nespani. I've seen him on social media. I've seen him on Guma shows. Like I follow. So I feel like we In The Shake nathi siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for the honor makhutman wami ngepresence yenu. Performance. Hot pele. Yeah. So
thank you for the invite, brothers.
Yeah. So ngizocela nje ukuthi without like wasting time ngiqale kuwe wena khutmadami uzazise and then pass it on to the next brother, and then maybe izoza khutmani and then sizoba mnandi.
Yeah, now lo Thulani Twala, the bassist of the Diminished, the poet as well. Ngiyabhala nami personally. Mara ngihambe ngiwani namajita yabona. So as we proceed, this was introduced with how did the maybe band came about and stuff, and have a conversation with all that. But now I lead it to my MD ngoba umfundo uyena, the head department of our music, make sure that we have to sound good and stuff, and we see that side is on the technical side, went even to school to make sure that we sound good. So mina ngile khotman ezama ukuthi amajita ahlanganisene siphusheni. So over to you out here.
Yo, shout out Bafethu.
Danko.
Bafethu.
What's up, beauty? I don't know
Bafethu.
But you pick up your music.
Pick up usibathi. Yabona so much intro yami. Bafethu imfundo nena. He's the keys behind the Diminished. Abanye bamazi ngo-Hypnotic Touch.
Shout out.
Abanye kumapiano cause ukhona naye kumapiano nyana bamazi ngo-Mr. Cousin.
Yeah.
Cousin Keys.
Cousin.
Driving Sasho, hey, shout out to you. It's an honor to actually be amongst you guys, to sit with the brothers in this motion and discuss and talk about music, about life,
Shout out.
So shout out Bafethu to In The Shake. Shout out Bafethu. Let me just cut it short, Bafethu, and get it deep into it. Mina vele ngiyazikhulumela ayazi ama-gents. Mina, I'm the music director in the band. So basically mangijoin iband ngene ebandini bengishaya idrum. So ngadlula edrumini and then I started playing keys. So being with the brothers, I grew so much in a sense that I can play with whoever I want to play with. But I play at my best when I'm with these G's, Bafethu.
Shout out.
Because one thing I love about these G's of mine, Bafethu, people go to school for music, Tina, we didn't have that opportunity. It's very sakarapa. ivele yahlangana sayihlanganisa sakarapa sibani nangithola bafethu yeah so kahle nje singama rebels kuqiniso bafethu yabona no this is one cut bafethu
injalo vele
so yeah yabona so now manje sinama opportunities abanye sebaqalile you know sesingenile ku music school sedopa bafethu you know we've been moving as one it's been so long yabona so ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu and also leave it over man to see a junior the rhythmic element behind us.
Whether they say like Sutus can sound like
and
China.
we are back, Buffett. You are still tuning in the Shack with your boy Milk Supply. In fact, it's not your boy. Like yeah, you already know. They say already pass over Sia.
Yes,
Over to you, my
Junior.
brother.
Sure, Buffett. I go by the name of Sia, but abaningi bangazi ngoSioski. That's my
Where's
stage name.
Yoski?
So Sioski comes about with I'm a DJ, you know, that's the stage name. But
Yeah.
I also play drums in the band, yeah, Diminished.
Yeah.
Shout out.
And I'm also like the technical guy to make sure that yeah, the guys
You
are
made
proper.
sure. You made sure. Not must have
Yes.
Tinder. Now we are so no. I'm not happy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yeah, then after setup
shit,
and
bro.
everything, make sure just jump on the drums and rock the live shows. You guys should check us out on our pages too, with the Diminished.
Dimimi.
Yeah, the
Dimimi.
Diminished
On
band.
all social.
On all social media, yeah.
Yeah.
Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
yeah.
Shout out.
Aba proper.
on
On
to-
nami ngiya voucher for lo. Aba proper. Proper manje.
Cover there.
Siza kuwe manje bethu bani wena.
Mina bangilandele.
Sathi bangande kuphi bani?
Bahlale bakulanda
Bangilandela
bayakhupha batshela.
emfuleni batazwakala.
Yeah.
Le road manager yethu.
Oh.
Road
Ah,
manager.
let's introduce. Sonke khona in the scene. Uma.
Mina ngo Caleb.
Yeah, Caleb.
Caleb.
Elungisa Caleb.
Ne-accent. Ine-accent.
Ngibona ufakani. Ubani Caleb? What you know Caleb?
Bro.
Yeah.
Road manager, can
Sure.
play keys. Yeah, I'm a music producer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a label, EQ Sounds. Shout out.
out.
Yeah, I got Earl Dwayne. I got Ellipses. I got Mekbura.
Ama-artist wakho lawa
I'm
bana.
artist up now.
Danko. Sibonga.
Drop the ETA, so yeah.
Salute,
Check it out on
salute.
all streaming
Ah, kusho nawo usazobuya musu.
Indaba zanini?
Sazobuya.
Indaba zanini?
Dropped it like I think it was last month.
Ah, kusho uzomela ubuye wena nabantu bakho.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back with my crew.
This is the place, dog, to do all these things.
Sure.
I mean, uyangazi lunga, I always jump above him sometimes.
We're
Okay.
gonna pull up.
Yeah, dog, like we
It's
always
gonna be a
welcome.
vibe. It's gonna
We
be a
always
vibe.
welcome
It's
for
okay.
you, like.
Yeah.
You already cover fit. We out here. Before nje siba two. Yabona sibe fair. Vele I would like to get like insusa. Yabona la yasuka khona vele. How did the gents meet? And how then do you get to decide like okay, I feel as in mara iband singayishaya bafethu singayiphusha kayideng. As much as we've said ukuthi some of us sibuye scared for yona, some of us is doing this and that. So angazi ukuthi
Mina ngathanda
singayikhonsela
ukuzwa from
bani.
uGotman because uGotman lithe yile hlanganisayo ukuthi magenta siphusheni. So ngifuna ukuzwa kulo ukuthi mhlangane kanjani njengoba umhlanganisi, you understand?
We've been around for days in 1632. Yabona.
Sure.
I mean, personally, my artistry before even touching a bass, ngishaye campus dance, ngenze drama ku Township Mirror Theatre Group, you know. Yeah, around 1998 and stuff. Yeah, like history, you know, ngiyakhula. Yabona.
Awu Oliver Tambo. Oliver Tambo. Bonga kusarafina ndanga. Sisa kahle ngiyabona ngikubuka
Ryan has been in the
Yabona,
dog,
batswela
dog,
phela
dog.
performing artist, yabona. So manje mawuqala ukhula awuthami uyabona ukuthi athi nokungabhadali yabona. Awuthami laba nincuzi siba ekhaya. So Grootman yami sipana netime sipana grinding ngeke drama ngihambe ngesipana netime ngihlangane no Feo bhekayo umrapper 1632 records ngiloko ngibhizi ngiyabhala ngihlangane no Art Prophet Productions. I started working poetry music, started gripping a bass because vele my first lessons beka you know my drama group, the acoustic, you know, loving just the sound. So from that on sachubeka mase hlangana nomfundo behlangana nomfundo nginofeush siperform next door nakhaba umfundo yimi nosifeush mina nofeush wherever we meet we plug in and we play aswazi music we just as long as ngongabamba into ya sound grand ufeush 1632 umrapper
Okay, sure.
Khomutso Nyerenda you check him out you know he's a legend in the game he has artists under his table you know check at prophet is a Rastapelo you know he's the chairman of Ganja board
I know
yabona.
Rastapelo,
so hence I'm saying this thing has grown to this kind of a person that I am. Even the Diminished as the band has collaborated with a lot of artists because yabona mfethu we always break bread with brothers and sisters yabona. So that's how we met umfundo. That's who we are today. Sidlalile endaweni, sihasile endaweni. You know, music bonga patali. Mara yazi mawucala unika i2 rat nyana, 4 rat nyana, 5 rat nyana. Yabona udam mfethu. Kunesinkwa riding noma sengispana yabona. Ngile ngicheke, ngigeleze, ngenze sure ukuthi ngisounda grand because music is skeptical. Music is one thing. Music is older than us. Everything that was created on earth was created through a chord. You know, it has to be in one accord. It has to be musical. So I philosophy now on music. So you're music. Even though I write and recite, you know, music is a calling. So mangihlangana nalamajita ngihlangane nawo you know yabo I'm dreaded Ras is Christian my background name was Christian mara you know we love Rastafari hlangana namajita hang around with everybody even nomuntu onjani because thina sabantu yabona as long as we can break bread and share one ingredient that makes our food taste nice we pass it to the other and we eat together.
Shout out King. So in the whole band Ninga Manipelele.
Because we sometimes feature like I'm a sessionist, you know, like session musicians. So sometimes I've like lead guitar, but us in the Diminished first, like it's 3-piece, which is drums, keys, and bass. So we sometimes have those sessionists in between, which maybe the other one is a saxophonist or lead guitarist.
Urambe shoyo bafu sorry ngena mlomeni. Ubafu explain ukuthi umnithe kanjani umfundo. Noma ngazange angene into details because uyambona ukuthi shayipho yethu. Philosophy. Great. Sona ngokumenyaza yami.
Yabona ukuthi usiyane. It's hard for me to introduce.
Uhlele siyafika le. Asikhathi usela branch
Usiya is like the brother to me.
Yeah.
Usiya is the brother to me. Usiya mangimithe through edit lakhe ngoba besichecheliwana. Werasa wena sasa.
Asikhathi next.
Yabona usiya.
Asikhathi bazokubona ukuthi ubabonjani.
Let's go. Ubukhuza umntana ngidlala umntwana
vele uyifakela
Let's go. I'm sorry. I'm just warning you guys. But like we are warning. So
we in the shack, we in the hood. Noma banga check environment. Like everything's raw and cut. The diamond, you know, you found it in a rough. You know, this Temas figure. You can take this thing for granted, but the ideology and the dopest essence that made Umana Enzel and Tayenzel, we salute.
That's why not silana nje amuthi makangithengisela lesithombe ngathi angasekhuluma kakhulu njani nginawe.
So Usiya is like a brother to me. Usiya
back to the story.
Usiya ngimazi before I even met umfundo.
You met Sia first.
Yeah, ngoba usiya ngimazi from our church background. Intwana ekhulela phambi kwami. So kuma open mic Sunday sessions yonke lento we met around the same time. It was one
Already lesayishave drum night.
Yeah, Usiya started playing drum at the early age.
Yeah.
Early age amncane bhuti amncane. Usiya bekakhora bamkhuza.
Yeah.
Uthe mana ume session church my stop usiya ulapha emandramini ufuna ukudlala. So that's why ngithi ukum-introduce is like yabona ngimazi from dala ngazolet lakhe I know the background umfundo we in besi2 no Felsh Usiya bekangekho masihlangana nomfundo sishaye jam session bekuyi Sunday bekase church bekabuye church yabona intwana bekase church bekabuye church mina no Felsh you know i-church lethu is Sabbath, you know, can only go maybe on Saturday on Sabbath, Sunday, sa session.
Yeah, shout out. Shout out.
Yeah, so umfundo when I pull it through, figure what jam or figure was introduced.
Umfundo zange was introduced, uvele uthatha keyboard.
plug and play.
Plaga. Wadlala sakhuluma master.
ngicela khuluma umoya
That's dope. I-connection engenzima.
Inhleko yeza uyamazi Fesh like abomakhelwane.
oh uyacava untanga
Yeah, untanga lo waseview.
shina beyanokugermana
Une relative like
ungajemina it was your first time uvela wathi hayi fuck bangeke bangihlule laba ngithatha kancane laba ithi
untwana uvela into engakanani. Enye yamahenga kanani.
77.
makadlala kwemana sithe ngada
Became dope.
abula
Kwaba mnandi.
angizwele nami uthi hayi nalinga bafuthu hayi nalinga ngomoya
It was fire. I can't wait to hear.
Abazoyizwa.
We'll see like
sibabonke
sebabonke.
cause untanga akekho professional usiyakho professional baringa ivara into bekayenza from a church show beyomphathela amadrama sonto ngangawaphathi hayi problem umntwana lokwamambele bamtshela ukuthi ufuna amabhanji wadwa yini amabhanji yini bhanji drum mini asibhanji drum ngobhanji
Ngithi ngilanda iCongo drama kafundi.
Congo drum
Athi jump emadramini
ngiyashaya bafetha kube ibhanji angeke kube ibhanji yeah siya nje uthi amadrama shele mnyewe
Awuthemba.
yeah
Now manje njengoba phethe was busy mfana manje
Yeah.
asibuyi ngibuya church ngibona
Yeah,
ngisola ngibuya straight at church and then had to
ndanga
meet up
siyabona.
nama
But I've been communicating no man for weeks now.
Yeah, sure, I get that.
Akakutshela.
We got that.
uNkulunkulu phambili
Tshela ukuthi
ubona
BM aylayisha idrama.
yeah lunga get back to the show ndanga
Ngimangeke ningabi phela ne-conversation yenu.
asina show asina show
Otherwise, Buffett, we're still out here chilling in the shack with Either Diminished.
Yes, sir.
Please do check them out on social media. Do follow us as well on social media at In The Shack RZA. And don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. It's very important. You press that bell icon. You already know. Okay, sharp. Sesiyipendi, sesiyapusha, sekumnandi. What is, maybe I'll push this one to you when road manager. Ukuthi in terms of performances, which one do you think was the worst one for you, and which one do you think was like okay, sharp, my chance? I think this thing is promising based on where we are performing now.
I can even drive you to states now.
Yeah.
I don't care.
The worst one.
Yeah.
And the dopest one after.
Because bona bazoba biased.
The worst one.
Yeah.
Umfundo bekashisa state.
What?
Yeah,
Umfundo uthini?
Yeah.
I'm trying to make sure.
What happened?
Yeah, fucked up.
So like, he left the sustainer.
Yena mawekwa thinking
Abana nangu khona ngifuna
yazi inkinga kuthina uthamba. Ushiya piece mawuqeda ukwatela thina njengalento enzawusi.
Yeah.
Shitra.
Ushiya drum lakho.
Sure.
Wena ukwatela dithi bekumele squad.
Ukuthi washo idrum lakho.
Untwana ukhinyekile because aka sound ngendlela amala sound ngakhona. Nathi ma ngingambuza
Yeah,
ukuthi
Mara ayakadlala kamnandi.
But kumele improvise because uye owenze leyo mess leyo.
wena uphathanga induku yakho kushaya abantu. Ufika le bakuboleka induku ulwelani ukhalelani.
Hayi uyiboleka.
Zange ngithole manje kuyayiboleka mfethu induku yabona. So what happened guys? Like wabona masiphuma vele like she's being late to be honest.
Sure.
So ngiphuma vele ngipakisha ama speed yabona ngisho ujonga into yami because I'm not sharing everything in one place. Esani kanti leshandisi le mfethu.
Yishandisi. Funa ishandisi.
Sustain, you know.
Sustain ile nto enyathelwayo mngana
Le nyawo le.
The sound.
ile nto enyathelwayo unenza lipiano uyanyathela.
Mina ntona mina ngithi ha untanga ufuna ukuthi makalo kadlala inhloko lokhu idlala naye right.
Important umsebenzi omkhulu.
Pheze usual.
Inamagebe ewafilayo.
Yeah.
Inesponsayo.
Sure.
But then so even though ngizodlala mfethu angeke ngisadlala ngale confidence yami because of emotion.
Yeah, sure.
Yabona so ama-gents I understand because of I put it upon myself ukuthi ayisane le ngapha phela yimi mfethu lona ishandisi lona i-music director yabona khamba manje mase ngifambula so bafethu kahle kahle ithi ngitsheleni
Yeah.
lalela la bafethu ziyabuya la yabona la ne Yabona namanje sisaseku honeymoon. Ngiyabonga shout out for that.
Yeah.
Ziyabuyela ngalabafethu laba yabona.
Injalo mfana.
Yeah,
Injalo
bafethu.
team.
Yeah.
Injalo team
Yabona,
mfana.
it's not easy.
Team
staying as a
yabo
band.
baba. Angeke ube
It's
lula.
not easy
It's
to
not
be a
easy.
band.
Team of brothers.
Collective.
Siyacabana laba bafethu.
For more than 7 to 8
Dog.
years.
Mara ngithanda ukunitshela yini.
Yeah, sitshele
Yeah,
mfethu.
ukunitshela bafethu. Siyacabana nama-chance yabona. That's one of the things that made us to be who we are and how strong we are.
Yeah.
Because of ngiyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi baba udlalela idodi manje yabona ende manje yabona kuhambani manje yabona ingathi awujimanga
Yini uzazi indaba zakho. Uzazi indaba zakho. Uzazi indaba
ingathi wona
zakho.
ulalizolo uyanganasitenda manje.
Ngiyakufila.
So we go through that shit singama-gents and siyaqinisana. There's even life advice yabona mfethu.
Ngiyakufila.
Because even if kunezinto eziningikwenzeka ngi-out angakhona ukutshela abantu endlini yanganasitenda. But I know ukuthi wona meet one of these guys here mfethu nayo nenkinga so even manhood problems bafethu yabona. This is raw uncut gents. Yeah, sadlula kulena
So it goes beyond music.
Yeah, it goes beyond music mfethu you understand.
Angeke nibhayise khona ubafu.
Angeke yabona siphethe
Angeke.
the wise man.
Ngimuza makavula
Me, I
umlomo.
have respect for this guy
Angeke
yabona.
ufika ukhala athi hayi.
Yes, not only on a music perspective but in the way he lives, in the way he thinks yabona.
Ne 2 minutes
You
ngimithile
understand?
ngitholile.
Yabona if there's one guy ozohlanganisa sonke ngileni lentwana le ziyabuya lapha mfethu yabona nami
easy,
sanokushaya
it's not
inhloko yami
easy.
ujayazi laba abagcwala laba
Bakuhlangene.
futhi nalobhuti lona lobudala badoda you understand ziyabuya bafethu but he has a
Indoda
way of
ifonele ungabambi ifoni
Ngiyakufila.
yeah so he has a way of bringing us all back together bafethu yabona
And une patience yonke lento nizenza.
yes yabona
Because
so
uyini nodwa I don't think benzoba so.
mfethu
Dala sishana endleleni nathi sibaningi.
Awuthi ngilethe ngapha kusiya.
Siya.
Siya, what challenges do you think as a band, as a collective in our face ungasawa wabali la abafethu asekhuluma ngawo? Yes, it is difficult vele ukusipana nabantu abaningi. I've been in that situation in army. So I'd like to just to hear like maybe from the experience yakho ukuthi what are the difficulties like nama challenges been ukuhlangabezana nawo?
I don't like whether to be honest
In terms of working with a
Yeah.
big band, yeah.
Spanner ne band, like the most what the biggest challenge to be honest ile ukuthi we pushing a band and trying to make something of like what we do on a daily basis, but at the same time we have a 9 to 5 or a job, whatever you're doing.
Yeah.
So that thing kind of clashes with the movement of the band. You get so.
I hear you,
I
King.
think that's the biggest challenge that we have right now. But as low as pusher and trying to get that right, because you're trying to do both things at the same time. Maybe 9 to 5 all the time. Ngapha it's the band, and then ngapha the band is also because
ngapha ithekeni yakho uyibali
no, here we talking band. We're talking band.
Ama challenges nawo walethayo. Ama gents athola kanzima ngami yazi mina benginyamalala mfethu. Umfilo wafutheni, umfilo wafutheni. Umfilo wafutheni, umfilo mfundu utheni. Uthombulo nokusho yazi njengoba kudala lo. Naye ngathi ngibambeze akibambe mfethu. Wena yini yakinda.
Mara, no, yabona cherry and girls and whatever. That's not distraction to the band.
You just say.
Because they are just say, hey, I have a gig, I have to go there, I have to work. So the only thing that that clashes with the band movement.
So
it's 9 to
in
5.
terms of ukuthi wena siya ngibuye kuwe because uno DJ. Yathola.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukwazi and ama gents let's say une booking as u DJ. Ngine booking as band. Wenza kanjani?
That I manipulate with I start with the band because the DJ it's mostly late thing stuff. And then it band. Let's say
iyaclash.
It has never clashed when it comes to
Okay,
that.
izofika lento
And once clash, baba.
ngeke ihlale ngayenzeki lento.
No, but like
ngeke
it's controllable. It's controllable.
kunonjabulo kunonjabulo
That's what we do.
Oh, uyakwazi nakwazi umreplace.
So let's tell.
No, like
Siya sacrifice. Ongeke sibane siya. Ongeko.
usiya
DJ.
Yeah, for prioritize the band. That's
No,
what
like
you
later,
Yeah.
like I can call the host. I'll be like, "Ish, I'm gonna pull up 1 hour late or 2 2 hours late.
Yeah.
2 hours late
Yeah.
to a gig. Shizobizwa ama-gig ina serious. That's
Oh,
impossible.
bazodlala ama-DJ.
Angiyona nje
It's a lineup
Ngiyala nje
DJ.
ayami.
They
Yeah,
just
no, no, no,
switch.
no, no.
They just
Dog,
switch.
sesikhuluma ngabo-DJ lasiyi-2.
Bamswitcha.
Akwenzakali,
Bamswitcha
singabo-DJ.
nalo odlala ngo-11.
Nah,
Wena
siyazigaya.
ungayeka i-DJ ivulekile.
Siyatshela namanga, bafethu.
So
Hey, siya, don't lie to us.
Okay, but so
Unless
far it has
mawina
never
lapho khona
clashed.
abangani bakho-ke
So far it has
nakwakujintisana
never
uthi
clashed.
dog uzodlala emva kwami or kanjani understand but mangabe ubhadaliwe qashiwe wenza kanjani
Sometimes
People are professional out here you understand wena
Sometimes when the gigs clash,
Yeah.
you know, usiya uyakwazi ukuthi you can pull up on drama, but you know,
Yeah.
uyeza niyana, you know, push because maningi amajita spanayo, ithembise namabhenda maningi, ithembise background, italent elibhaya uthami. Nabantu ababhaya mfethu. Mangathi uyabacheck manje, like ngikhuluma ngokuthi mangathi check ukuthi ubani the most highest rated drama, you'll find out ukuthi umuntu ola ithembise. Mawuthi uya-check ukuthi ubani udlalele Hot Sticks Mabuse uthola ukuthi idrama lala ithembisa yabona. Mawuthi uya-check ukuthi ubani ingoma yepiano eshayayo manje uthola ukuthi intwana la ithembisa but thina still as 1632 we know the politics. We must not run away from that. We must not run even before thina sicindezelana. Ithembisa mfethu was before apartheid, even before 1994, was seen as a no-go area. Sangithi ngiyanitshela bafethu ukuthi abanye abantu when they take power, there are some things they don't change. Yangithola? Fila kazi street nazo zonke lezi zinto bafethu. Angithi manje mina ngikhuluma njengeGrootman, ngikhulula la ithembisa uthami yabona. Ngiyasibona izinto ezenzakalayo, nganitshela ngama-artist obhaya la ithembisa.
Nafila hamba
Yangithola mfethu kusho ukuthi umuntu kumele agcine abheme into blind. Ngithola ukuthi ngovangana uthama angithi sikhuluma angisosova ngevara ukuthi you cannot separate politics and reality. You cannot separate the politicians from Tembisa and Soweto. You cannot separate the struggles of Tembisans and Sowetans, how we sin, how we struggle. Look at the podcast on time ukuthi bela is the hustle.
sharp asenze so maybe ngayiletha kuwe before in terms of the music scene ethembisa ungazi ukuthi noma uzokhona ukuyigibela ishisa or uzoyibuya la wena nakuwe ukuthi like why do we feel like ngathi siyacindezeleka or kunokuvalelana okuthile because from what I'm getting from what you're saying is like ngathi kunabantu aba
Gatekeeping.
Kunama gatekeepers everywhere mara machita angithi mina soveni ivara uthami. It's not like kunomuntu ongekho la ongangibona.
Nangahle eceleni kwakho
Asova ivara. It's not like kunawo ngekho la.
kwakho une talent nanga
Or kunawo thela engamcavu siyo ngamazi
show us your
umfundo.
talent
It's not like kune-artist engakhulanga izolo maybe engalibambisanga ngalibambisa lapho ngaligelezisa lafika la.
yeah
Yabona but manje industry njalo mfethu survival of the fittest. Yeah, uyadliwa.
I think akusukuvalelana nokhona. I think there's this asifuna ukuspana thina. You don't want to create your own haven whatever. You understand your own movement yabo. You always want to ride somebody else's wave.
yeah
I think into esikhawathayo so to a point where if usiya uDJ namfana ngebe uDJ siyangibonisa uDJ but I can't not bathini now I want to ride on his wave instead of creating my own wave sivayiselane sithu angisho see I can DJ I can produce we make music together
but enye into engafuni si-ignore is what Sia said in terms of in 9 to 5 maybe Sia now you can answer this one
same point
how
nomini now futhi lento shoma namso
yeah
tanga sona abantu uvalelana nanto ishoyo it's impossible ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi usiya uDJ
yeah
usiya uDJ in the weekend or for example in the joint you understand
Mara why specifically, yeah.
izwa usiya udawo phela nosiya umbona lapha ya
yeah
siya
sure.
simazi kule side engapha
yeah
siya akekho exposed should no siya lo ubheke kuye nawe
Yeah.
ubheke lento encane you understand ngeke ukuthi usugibela iwave umuntu naye ufuna iwave omunye umuntu sikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi yini into evimba abantu abaphushile njengabantu nawo neminyaka ama-gens segaming not anaziwe you
Yeah.
understand yini le nivimba ukuthi ningafika niya khona yini le yenza ukuthi iyeni ijeni ithatha isikhathi side kangaka
Anathi mfethu sabantu nathi sinamaphutha wethu nathi khona maybe element uthola ukuthi asiphuthi through in the essence of music because of because of my commitment to music, you know. Music ngisasho uthama music enye into, music is a calling. Music yenza ukuthi ufike lesipana uthama. Mara mosakwazi ukusipana uthama you haven't made that sacrifice. Yabona sasaba ngoba sinengqubo sinayo yonke into yovalelwa.
Ngeke uthi ukusaba King unama responsibilities. Angeke sithi ukusaba.
Makhuluma ngokuvalelwa ngifuna ukubonisa enye into uthama. Ithembisa is just 10 k's away from OR Tambo. Amabhokobhoko they can land like OR Tambo and flatten ithembisa bahambe boy parade elsewhere then ngitshela ukuthi sasivalela. Angibonisa example esimple. We are like the aeroplane now time keep amavili la kuqala. We don't have those harbors where people will come and understand those places where artists
ithi ekumele si create lawo mavenue lawo. As you were saying, no fear. This is in the shack. It's raw. It's as it is. We understand that when you walked in, wait, King. When you walked in here, you said, "Yeah, maybe must try, must in." Those are alternative venues. We understand. We don't have. And the take me so create. So ama pokopoko angeka suke OR Tambo azule angazi ukuthi ayakuthi.
Yeah. Angeke ngimamele. I'm talking about this game, you know. Yeah. Nothing is new here on here, you know. Ntwala program. We had hip hop movements that were running. We were having kota tours. Hambe check ukuthi kota tour ya nini. Hambe check ukuthi iziniko bekuya nini. Tembisa has been having this movement. Yeah. And it's not like those people that are there, they're not aware. Yeah.
So manje who's closing that door?
Yiyo into masingaphela
mara uyangithola ukuthi ngikhuluma
ngayo to ask you
Tembisa is old in the game.
Ngibuze ngakhona le question le. Nginakile ngingathi kuba emotional nyama because dala ngilike mina dala ngibushe dala ngenza.
Thatha
namanje ngizokuzwisa. Wena ngakuthatha nawe yazi.
Ngiyakwazi njalo.
Lesinika khuluma ngayo iziniko iphushwa yini.
Ngiyakwazi.
Untanga umushe gaming le
game. We must not defend the game.
Not to say
we in the game.
Yeah. Are we making it personal?
No, I'm not taking it like personal. Yeah. I'm saying Nami, njoba ngisangibuza bafuthi to why ungasekho out there.
Yeah.
Ngimgaya simple reason. Ukuba la ngabuyini esinkweni for me it's useless.
Yeah,
okay.
For you to say this guy is one of the best Tembisa, is one of the greatest Tembisa. Marendini. Mabuza umbuzo. Enhle what are you doing out there?
Hold that thought when Iago. Hold that thought, Iago. Is there a working man amongst us, like on a 9 to 5? No, ngibuza nje ukuthi who.
Yeah, everybody works individually on their own stuff.
Great stuff. So how do we then find the balance? Njengoba uboyibeka ntanga ukuthi esani. Ngapha uyaspana, ngapha ipendi, ngapha uya DJya. So how do you then find the balance to make sure ukuthi yonke into yakho musically aligned namachita neband?
We make sure ukuthi we meet once weekly, at least once a week. Amachita mele hlangana. Yonke into mele understand ukuthi once a week amachita mele sirehezi, sikhuluma, conceptualize a meeting to keep the movement going on.
Technology.
Because angeke siloku uthola ukuthi masihlangana sadlala.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Sahlangana noma
sihlangana nje sekuyasipana every time ahlangana isipana
masithi wena King nokhuluma ukuthi we have to create those places. One, you've created the in the shack there's forum creatives. There's been places like Tembisa put. There've been places, you know, I've been hosting now Mama Open Mic Sunday sessions. There've been places, there've been Chakra sessions. I can count a lot of movements that like Tembisa and Tola put. Movements otima where woman this is worth more than yangithola put. So angeke ungitshela ukuthi abantu abekho aware abantu abezi kulezo indawo. In this world that we're living in that has TikTok that can make 1 million likes.
No, King, I'm not saying abantu abezi. One, I was just saying first we have to create those platforms. Two, obviously it's a eat game. Tina is a creatives. We have to come together and we have to fight.
Make a forum, we must make a forum.
We are in that position.
Where you get funds.
Kings. But anyway, it's not about that. Masangaya into my politics.
Hey.
It's gonna go like too deep.
Then as a calendar.
Yeah. So as a band, have we worked on anything recorded?
Yes.
Do we have any music out?
2016 we had our EP Sunset Melody. Khona manje MD bekasho ukuthi ekudala mfethu singapheki. You know, for a band to make music, man, it requires a lot. Umntwana makasho ukuthi rasa wakajimi kahle ukuthi singarecord angakajimi kahle. Akathe si antwana awakayithuni kuphela sakachuni kuphela. So you know, we have where we come from. The first play, the tune that we played, where we come from, is our next EP that we'll be working from. Because now we're telling people who we are. Because we did the Sunset Melody, you know, the Sesena Machitapa, Amanje, sustainability is through us. So we want to tell them where we come from.
Shout out.
Sure.
That's dope. That's dope. Donkey, are you still nice?
Yo, we're on 20 minutes plus 17 minutes, 40 almost. Another 15 minutes, then we're out.
Danko. So, you're still tuned in the Shack Buffet to Milk Supply. Already know we're out here. Competitive the diminished. Maybe I can pass it on. Maybe go see ya.
Yeah.
Who's shared and Joguti. In terms of inspiration, we told our whoopee, and as a band collectively, which yin and inspire you and influence our direction is sounding.
Oh yeah.
Robert Glass.
So, bona na bo Robert. Ungayi la.
Uthanda expose umntwana. Wala ukugreya yazima.
I said that too.
Athula mye umntwana akasazi ukuthi ukuphi. Aphendula ayelele.
Yes, I'm very influenced now, but as Tina Bona, like as we are different musicians, like we all vibe to different genres, and Mara mostly I would say I grew up with the church genre, like gospel. So I got the influence from the people I met within the gospel group and the Yonkeleo industry. So meeting up with those people, because most of the people that I know, they are in the industry, like the musicians.
Yes.
So I got the influence from them to be like the kind of musician I am right now. And then I just venture into also like DJing and sound, because sound is what I studied actually. So Kelezeba TUT.
TUT.
Yeah.
Bitur.
Yeah, the arts campus. Shout out. So lapho that's when very influence me vele yakhula khona from growing there. Then that's when I started growing nami wami so to be what I am today. But yeah, mostly the influence I would say it's the people that I'm surrounded with and nalabantu vele ngidlala nabo, even my band members, they diminished. Because
Mara sakayiphendulile
Yini sound yabo? Uthi usiye influence abantu abaround.
yeah, I was going there.
Asho mina ngiphendula, asho mina ngiyani. Mina straight to the point.
Kuningi yabo. Maybe okay, no.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Good manager, cause when you have a mamela, bona bazizwe babadlala yini
So like
ama gents mawadlala for you. Bawela kuphi ipijanda bongafaka kuphi? More jazz.
I think it's like more of like a fusion.
Yeah, it's a
'cause
fusion.
It's a
Yeah.
fusion
Yeah,
of,
it's a
we
fusion.
do Afro pop,
Yeah.
we do neo soul,
Yeah.
also do a bit of jazz.
And you work with artists all the time.
Yeah, like-
sebenze nawo kunama projects amaningi siwenze nama artists amaningi. Mangithi le band all the time ukusi, you know, even though they can call us the underground, we can rate whatever or whoever will rate each other, but masingathi sihlala sithi sibala amanamba ama-artists esisebenze nawo ever since the inception of the band, my brother.
And it's different
In
genres.
different genres, it has made us even grow as the band.
Would you believe ukuthi besidlala rock music?
Yeah, I also played rock at some point.
Yeah, I would
Go to share.
It's obvious mfethu mawumshaye wenamba nje.
amangami ley'teji zawo ushaye rock uthi ushaye rock Black Sam yazi Black Sam mara bafana
That's crazy.
so like yo it's a multi-genre band bafethu.
Then sharp,
Yeah, it's
But
fusion.
mina ngizonitshela njenge-MD yale band. And special power sethu ukuthi we are able ukuthi sithathe ingoma, I can say it's a jazz, and you can fuse it to be more of a smooth jazz or to be more of a soul. Maybe umuntu ayicule nge-saxophone, like a remix. Yeah, you know. But ke sinengoma zethu eziplaying kakhulu bafethu.
5 walks where we come
Bafethu
from.
nezinye ingoma bafethu like
So
nizove.
on your performance nidlale ingoma zenu or
These are
Yeah.
strictly ours.
Our songs.
ingoma zenu
Strictly raw baba.
mara
composition
amakhathi
wabo.
amanye ngisho
Yeah,
amanye cause phela singakhothi ukuthi music sonke siyamamela
Well, amajitasho bebe
khona
wajema
music. Yeah,
kwamanje.
music
Bewajema,
Bebe
phela.
wajema
Wena ngisho
manje.
ukuthi music yeah
Ethi ungitshela bona kunale ngoma esidlaleli where you come from. Skebe zebe da da za da.
There's a house tune.
Skebe
Yeah, that's
da
true.
da da. Ngezwe house tune now time this song is older than that song. Ngithola ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani but I cannot claim that. Ngithola bra. That's why
song
ngithi
that you're
people
talking about
incane le ngoma
Lelo
uthamba.
kusho ukuthi nihlangane nini dog okay
All right, Iyako. Yazi ngicela ukwenzela
Yazi
ifavor
indlela
wethu.
to get into
Back.
details
Okay,
now.
King.
No, no, no,
Yazi
no,
ngifuna
no, no.
ukudlala ubhekeni. Go to the diminished page and check who we're playing at
No, we
Nando's.
never
Ngithanda Maxo. Mana Iyako. Iyako.
Even before
Yeah.
lockdown.
Awuyibamba.
Yes,
Eh,
we
King
played
Man.
this song
King Man.
before lockdown.
People don't tell me.
King
People don't
King
tell me
Man.
now dog
Baba, ngicela ume kancane ngiyacela
I've been in the game
bafethu.
like
Iyako.
I'm a producer
Mamela produce.
I drop people's songs I know this song
Producer.
That's why ngithi King.
Producer.
Hamba uyimamela
Eh, naye
ukuthi
producer
hamba uyimamela
nami
online.
Yenziwa njani?
Mina
naye
ngikhuluma
producer?
ngeprove online my brother. Yes. Go on the diminished page. Bheka. Go on the diminished page and listen to that song and listen to when it was captured. Then it will tell you ukuthi ingakanani le ngoma.
Alright, Iyako.
Because lezi zinto yizo
Ngicela bafo mfundo ungamphendula Iyako ngoba sishuthi podcast e1 ngicela sibe la. Sibe la
One
sonke.
podcast.
I1 podcast. Ayikho enye la ikhoneni.
In the shed.
Ngicela senzeni so. Speaking of ingoma bafethu for the sake of time every week, every episode inja yami DJ Iyako isiphathele a hot banger song of the week. Courtesy of DJ Iyako. Obviously, ushilo watutwana naye uyi-producer.
Yeah.
Ngifraza ngimameleni
Sure.
and then nizoyirate ingoma. Igama lengoma yini konje Iyako? Songbird by DJ
Songbird Sina abantu abakhuluma isilungu
Songbird.
Liyago,
all about the
checking
bird.
it out there.
Yeah we're playing it now
No, okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba ngibone ngazuthi bofuna uprove ukuthi maybe le ngoma idlale nini ngoba
No. That old,
Ngoba
no.
listen, kwenzakala now Thamba.
Listen.
Ngidala la ngizodlala
Okay.
uThamba. We in the game.
Okay.
You know kusasa elinye artist libona ngazuthi likhulume kabi lithi wena ubhayithile
Nah.
or something
Like I
ngithola.
said,
And we in the
mamela.
podcast ufuna ukushayina
Lento ngenze
ngayo. So
clear,
bengizitshela
mamela.
ukuthi
Nah,
sonke ngoba sinamafoni sizologa ini
Nah.
senze lento ibe live silalele le sound
Nah.
bese
No,
siyasitshela ukuthi ingoma yazalwa nini.
No.
Amen.
King yazi into esikhuluma ngayo man.
Ngizophila nawe asisiyasilanga lokugcina manje ngizange ngikhuluma kumfundo sizobonana nana ngisho sazoba sonke angisho ukuthi nami angijobi ama-sound bafethu so brought too much ukuthi noma ungathi ushaye enye key manje izofana nenye key
This
So-
thing is older than
Okay.
nothing is new on air.
Iyako.
Nothing is new.
Okay, sharp,
angisho
yabo.
ukuthi
Okay, ngicela ispirit. Sharp,
kanjani
Iyako. Iyako.
understand
Izogcima iphethu. Izogcima iphethu. Ngicela ningenze leni so. Mina into engicelile nje song of the week.
Yeah, ngidlala
So
Song of the
on the
week.
show
Song of the
every week every episode
Yeah.
iba nengoma untango usiphathele ingoma ayithembile.
Yeah.
Then thina uyamela nyusa ama volume lapha light. Then ke
Awushaya isigubhu ipangofu mo.
yeah nina senizoyirate.
Masigubhu mo.
lapho ku-0 lapho
Check it out bafethu Inda Sheki track title Songbird by DJ Iyako and Sinti Nzube.
One.
Danko. We are live. This is In The Shack. You already know. Milk Supplier. Your boy. Matter of fact, it's not your boy. Like Yan. We're out here. The Diminished. Song of the Week. DJ Iyawo. Featuring Sintu Zulu.
That's straight.
Yeah, we are still live, my friend. Tuned in The Shack with your boy Milk Supplier, chilled in with It Diminished. Makhotman wam, ngicela nje si rate kancane nje le ngoma enizwile the song of the week. Maybe singacala ku road manager out of 10 ungasingayigaya ngaka bro.
Solid 8.
Solid 8.
Yeah, solid 8.
See ya.
Solid 9.
Solid 9. That's fire.
9.9.
9.9. 9.9. Let's go, Khotmanyami.
Mina 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. That's crazy. Big shout out.
Hey, Baba.
Obviously, every week, bafethu abantu ababukela i-podcast bayazi I'm exclusive. I don't even think ukuthi iphumile ne. Exclusive. Njengoba ngishilo nje, please don't forget to subscribe. Press that bell icon bafethu. We're still tuned in Diminished. Bafethu ngicela nje siyiseni la. Sise please give me your top 5 musicians dead or alive.
Dead or alive.
As a collective, or
Yeah, as a collective, because it's my just for the sake of time, bafethu. As a collective, maybe. That's why I said dead or alive. Yeah.
Busihlongo and Sipho Gumede, I would say.
Big shout out to Busi Mhlongo and Sipho Gumede. Okay, Fasemenya.
I'm not electric time. Sophil and international Robert Glasper.
Ali Chongo.
Road manager.
There's a lot.
Just give me one because whether see collective, see team.
Musician.
Yeah. Dead or alive.
Dead or alive. Currently for me.
Let's go. Time is money. Time is money. Kendrick Lamar. Shout out. Shout out. Asenze and so, bafethu. If you were to be given like 3 albums to take away, you'll be locked up in an island. So you need into Sanjay while you're there. Which albums would you take?
I'll take Usjava.
Usjava, which one? Khotmandami album. Leyoqala or leyamanje? Umcebo. Yeah, that's a wonderful one.
I'll take Usjava, Umcebo. Yeah, I'll take with me. No, I take Usjava Groot.
He's big. He's big. He's big.
His soul is, yeah, so.
Please give me 2 more. As a team, I'm not sure as a team, vet. Jonathan Butler, Usarenda.
I feel like like you don't have your favorite don't even know which one. Ish.
Just pick any.
Okay, I'll go with the album Black Radio 3.
Shout out.
Shout out to Robert Glass Power.
Let's do this. Finish the sentence when I wrote manager.
Is it genre? Is it any?
No, they said your favorite album that you take to an island.
No, I'm just saying like
the one that you
Any
think that will
genre.
keep you.
currently for me, no, it's Kelvin Momo.
Kelvin Momo, shout out.
It's too much.
Sharp. Asenze kanje, please finish the sentence. I hate it when niggas
Suck dick.
This one is for you. I look for blank in a woman. I look for in a woman.
Braids. Brains.
Fuck braids, babas.
Brains, my nigga.
Grootmandam. I guess it's Brenda Fassie or Lebu Matos.
Who inspire who?
Say no more. Say no more. I don't know. Before Sivada, it is Kinal Bugel of it.
No, sure.
Yeah. King. I have one for you here. Eyakho wena King. Ugim.
No.
Eyaka King. Ngicela angiphe Dragon Ball Z or Pokemon.
DBZ, Dragon Ball Z. One way, baba.
Maybe we can do this one last one as a collective. Maybe Sobona out of you, who actually wins. Biggie or Tupac?
Tupac.
Tupac 1.
Tupac.
Tupac 3. Ngathi kuyintando yeningi nje kwabanye. So angazi bafethu idiski nalmama.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay, bafethu before say fair beat this kid not going to buy ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi one of your parents. Abekho.
Team yasepayipeni.
Abekho. So sonke ngoba sila. Awufike Sundowns. Abekho.
Uthi umuntu ongambuzi yena ngediski.
Awufike Chiefs.
Yeah, zama khosi for life, yeah.
Hayi mnandi yona namhlanje. All right.
Why king uthi singabuzi ngediski if you don't mind me asking?
Ukuthi mina
Just briefly nje.
uyazi ukuthi mina mangiphendula into kimi iba ancient.
Khiphe ntanga, khiphe sifuna ukuyini.
Mina idiski bengithanda umkhulu wami nobaba wami basaphila because it was like a family thing.
Marsene.
umkhulu wami ufavor iChiefs bengifavor iChiefs naye ubaba ufavor iPirates noma uvusana ufavor iPirates so that conflict and so that essence when it went it fade away with it and sometimes I think it fade away with the team ngoba nginokuzwa sometimes the team bakhuluma ngayo blind I abstained from soccer ngenza lento engiyenzayo.
Shout out. Music is the way bafethu. Sharp. Yako.
I Chiefs, pulling
Samakhosi. For the people watching, Jay, I'm not scared. What happened in the world of sport?
Pirates wethu uzothola istar. Kale lapha. Bayitho seba winning. Kale nje lapha. Bangena se Brown. Bona bathi baneta izithu. Ziphi zona? Badliwe. Sundowns. Hare bafowethu. Angina kwali nani? Mara nani? Zenipha. Nama team lawa ithu ngikhuluma ngawo. If wathola izithu, iChiefs ngana star. Bafowethu. Bafowethu.
Hey.
Ngiyantshela. Hey ngiyantshela mina ngithi uNkulunkulu unamandla. Ngiqala ukusonta mangibona into ezakala Friday.
Khuluma
No,
nangekhosi.
tibona bhuti.
Khuluma nangekhosi.
Okay.
Ungitshela ne khumbula ukuthi ezinye izinto ne some defeats are win. Kunento emele bayifunda.
Yes, winning.
Cause kube one winile phambi kwabo or umunye kubudliwe bebokhuluma nakabi so I think abayi2 abantwana abayi2 abasendlini e1 kumele badliwe ukuthi mabadla isinkosi ngena rama boyi2 bayifeel into eyi1 noma bangahlali
Mara lo mdala bangakathola ispan.
Hey,
akulungi
yakhala. Hey, obvious.
Yayibona or ngibeke kabi.
And then in terms of the Chiefs bafowethu. In terms of the Chiefs. Hayi Chiefs bafowethu. Hayi Chiefs bafowethu. Hayi.
heartbreak after heartbreak
Hayi bafowethu Chiefs bafowethu.
Namanje sizothi coach.
No, akunama player da.
Alright.
Nama player.
Amara
Abantwana abancane lapha i-crash. Ngeke abantu abayi-10 bagijimisa ibhola eli-1. Abakwazi kuma amaphosini abantu bonke.
Hayi mentality nakhona I think
ithi
it counts.
ngitshele enye into
Niggas
uthi ungifundise enye into uThabo. Yabona ungabe ukhuluma ngento ethandwa umunye umuntu ngenye indlela.
Ngamane ngathemba.
Ngoba ngendlela ayithanda ngayo akayiboni lento ayibonayo.
Ngivula amehlo ke manje.
Awuthami engakhe amawuthi athanda uThekeni abamtshelayo ukuthi uThekeni wakho bayamkapa athi angeke. Miyeke.
Usuzeni
Bathi mfethu milk supply ubuya la angeke asukuma. So bheka uThami.
Yeah.
For the love of the game angiqasho kanjalo.
Yeah.
Amawuthi adliwe sorry machita. Next time nizowina noma ndliwa siyazi ukuthi next time ningawina. Mandliwa next time
For the sake of the
nizowina.
podcast bafowethu. For the sake of the podcast ayinkoshi mabhakaniye ngiyanithanda.
Danko,
For the sake of the
danko.
podcast.
Sure,
But mina
yeah.
personally.
For the love of
For
the
me
game.
personally.
Yabo,
Read my lips. Idea.
for the love of the game, Jayami. Yabo, cool.
Baba.
For that update, that was dope. Cause mina ngibukele very diski, so it's nice to go to update. Maybe ngayaku and appreciate. In terms of the band, the diminished, what's the plan? What's the way forward? What can we look forward to? Tina is abalandeli beni.
Okay, njengamanje we are on planning, not on planning, preparing to record EP to a future, which will be out before September, October. So
Okay.
If you don't mind me asking each genre or is one shy on each genre?
It's gonna be fused.
Plus in Trinidad and to release since 2016. That's like 9 years of no music.
Cheers by Winnie League
Sebenze nawo la machita, you know.
Yeah, what is
Because yazi ukuthi winter is nice for studio sessions. Yabona. So tshela machita isebenze
So
nawo
we should
to
need to drop a late sum
yeah.
or early sum.
Early summer, beginning of summer.
Beginning of summer.
somewhere there. So
So meaning
In terms-
show it more next year.
Yeah, so buya maybe siphethe umphako obhakiwe.
danko. So in terms of like our collaborations, like what do you guys look for? Uthi umuntu akhona ukucollaborate nani out there? Yeah. Like what's the protocol?
Who do we call?
No, mfethu.
Bayazi ntwana esihlala ngase airport ama aeroplane ama helicopter.
So abantu ababhaya mabafonela mina I make referral to umfundo as an MD.
Yes.
Abona abona ukuthi izinto zihlaziya kanjani, maybe the artist will send some vocals mangabe ufuna ukuba i-vocal yabona. Mara kaningi ama vocal amaningi sisebenze nawo, so it's easier when we under YouTube send awena source i-vocal babikho. Mara abaningi abantu banokufonela mina mara sponsor kantanga field work kantanga mina lapha ku background yazi ngiyakarara nje ngiphushi ayikho enye into bro amele ngenze kanjalo ngoba amajita ayangi-empower mfethu yabona when I met these guys within these years that I mean the ama-pentatonics bengingawazi I couldn't even know the chords izinto eziningi into bengingazazi athana yabona fundisa intwana zakho
Ibanjalo vele Hotman yami.
so ama-Hotman wami nangenye indlela yabona so bless
Danko maybe singayibuyisa ngakuwe wena siya music ne-industry nje as a whole it's a difficult industry but every day kunomuntu owish ukuba musician kunomuntu o-inspired by into eniyenzayo what can you say to that person which steps angathatha ukuthi mhlambe naye akhona ukufika nani seninyathele khona
Well, yabona is not easy as it is, ne? Like this thing has to go with, I think, firstly passion.
Yeah.
Like once the passion is there, like just move on and just focus on it. Because I think what most people backslide in is that there's not 100% focus on the craft. Sure. Like it's just 50-50 ngapha nangapha.
Yeah.
But for me, yeah, so that's why it makes it even more harder in the industry because you're not there on your toes, you're just there half. So, yeah, but especially Limzat, it's very tricky, guys. Like, I feel like I want to industry school internationally, like that's where it's international, that's where it's booming and everything.
They cannot wake up without music.
Yeah. And it's
They cannot
music
sleep without music.
Exactly.
Bakwazi ke msamo bangaculanga bakwazi, they cannot go to war without a war cry.
Yeah.
Without music life ayikho awuthami. Ingoma lento ukuthi ingoma thina siyabantu abamaZulu abangoni rabanguni, we define it in many ways. Yabona ingoma iculwayo bese kuba ingoma bese baye engomeni bese kuba ingoma engumuntu elandwa phansi letshalwayo edlwayo. So uyayibona ukuthi njani lento futhi. So kuzo zonke le ngoma lezi khona ingoma eyi-1 engasali kuyile umhlabelelo oculwayo that is composed. So you cannot run away from what is done by musicians, composers, producers. The demons they fight, they as bright and as dark as their success as well.
Ngishaya wangivala kahle nami.
Mina vele bengithi ngisambuza ngoba ngikhuluma naye vele angithatha ngilahlelele. Ngishanga ama-philosophy amanye ngofuna ushanga izinto hey.
But into engiyithandayo musically so i-understanding.
Hayi mbana i-connection i-1.
I-1 ya understandana.
Sonke simzwile asathi nokuthi aziphinde. Sonke
Maybe i-road manager ingasitshela maybe ukuthi where are you playing manje kusuka lana nitholakala kuphi ama-shows wenu nane
kuphi wafowethu
simbuka kuphi maybe ungaphinde sihlabe ngayo nje i-social media handles
wait tshela ngithi
up in smoke
Masuka lapha in smoke Gaza Galand is hosting kumele siye lapha somsupport angithola
you support on your
yeah perform Gaza Galand is the guy that hosts Split Vibe on Wednesdays raga and a bit of hip hop and stuff
DJ Gaza Galand
Let's
go, you already know. Yeah, let's go. As a stone Antwana you would like his amaseto akhe udlala idansoli ne-reggae but the nigga is just dope in terms of mixing yakhe nokudlala nje that's fire.
Okay and any gig before you where's your next gig?
So far, like we're just waiting for our bookings because we're focusing on the EP that we're supposed to do. So, manje it's mostly rehearsals. Yeah, sivalele lapha kuma rehearsal, practice, studio.
That's nice. This studio.
Yeah.
Hey, that's so span and ama jams.
Amachita all in all siyabonga bafethu. That's why ngithi siyabonga. That's why ngithi siyabonga bro wami. Everything in life needs to be documented. As human beings, we need to leave a blueprint in life.
Facts.
And the only way we can live it is memories and things that we've created. So those that go on earth without creating something, we even want to create children so that we can leave sign-ins.
Facts.
We always want to leave something. So, word of the day, let's all leave something.
Word of the day. Let's all leave something. Bafethu. And big shout out to The Diminished. Thank you so much for pulling up. Let's all subscribe. Bafethu.
The Diminished on Facebook.
The Diminished on Facebook. Instagram. X. TikTok. You already know. Hit them up for bookings, sliding in the DMs. This is In The Shake.
My numbers
Milk Supplier alongside DJ Iago.
Yeah.
You already know. Can I get a It's a rap.
This one was a rap.
Shut up, T.
Proper.
This was a rap.
Bye now, yeah. Thank you. Shout out, bro. Thank you. Uzopuma Friday. Uzopuma Friday.